Ever wondered how you can enjoy delicious food while maintaining a healthy diet? Today we dive into the exciting world of tasty, health-friendly recipes, healthy diet without the hunger. So make sure you're comfortable and ready to explore. Remember, a healthy diet doesn't have to be dull or about depriving yourself. Rather, it's about enjoying tasty food while keeping your health in check. Our first refreshing recipe is a fresh fruit salad with yogurt. Combine your favorite fruits like strawberries, kiwi, and blueberries. Add low-fat yogurt and honey for a natural sweetness. The second recipe we have is a quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables. Cook quinoa as per instructions, then mix it with vegetables such as carrots, broccoli, and bell peppers that have been roasted. Add a protein like grilled chicken or legumes for extra nutrition. The third choice is a nutrient-packed green smoothie. Blend spinach leaves, bananas, kiwi, and a pinch of chia seeds. Add coconut water or almond milk for a smooth and tasty blend. Our fourth recipe is a tofu stir-fry with vegetables. Slightly fry the tofu and add vegetables like green beans, carrots, and bell peppers. Season with a little low-sodium soy sauce and ginger for a rich flavor. Overnight oats with fruits is our fifth pick. Mix oats with almond milk and add chopped fruits like bananas, strawberries, and blueberries. Leave it overnight in the fridge and enjoy as a quick and healthy breakfast. Those are some tasty, health-friendly recipes for a healthy diet without the hunger. Feel free to adjust the recipes to suit your taste and needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe to stay updated with health information, and share this video with your friends. If you have a favorite recipe or other health tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next healthy video.